Yeah.
This is Tippy exploring the basement. I guess for the first time.
You passed the test.
So you knew about BD1?
Come on board. We'll talk inside.
And
BD1
we
disagrees.
rescued it at Did you know your face?
That is BD1.
Yeah.
He's with us.
Your face is so beautiful.
Idea how hard it is to get oil stain out of petroleum fabric?
Not really.
Oh, I hope you found something better out there than this droid.
Oh, calm down, Breeze. He did. Tell us, Cal.
So
The vault was built by an ancient civilization called the Zepho. A Jedi named Eno Cordova hid something inside of it.
What did he hide inside?
A hologram from the archives.
So pretty. Yeah, you are.
Contains a list of Force-sensitive children.
He's confused.
The
He's
next
confused.
generation of Jedi. I knew it.
You're confused.
Oh, Cordova, you old fool.
Oh,
You knew him?
Yes.
yeah.
A long time ago. I was his apprentice. Cordova was a loner.
Woo.
That little droid and I are probably the only ones that know about Lugano.
Hold on, wait a minute. A hollow what?
A holocron.
What are you
It
doing?
stores information, but only accessible to Jedi.
You want the tummy rub?
Have them around here.
Silly kitty.
He's gonna play with this.
Aw. His paws are so cute.
This is Master Obi-Wan Kenobi. I regret to report that both our Jedi Order and...
What are you doing, Buku?
I was going to take. I'm taking a video.
With that list of Force sensitives, we could rebuild the Jedi Order and defeat the Empire.
Okay, no problem. Let's get it.
Dad, don't
Except the
move.
hologram is hidden deep inside the vault, and to get it, we have to follow.
Oh no!
Hey!
Mentioned something about a planet
Bad boy.
Zepho Core.
He's okay. He's just trying to play.
You're okay.
Look,
You're okay.
before we do
He's
anything,
played with her before,
I need to know something. How come
He
you're no
was
longer a
like-
Jedi?
grabbing her around the neck, but like not squeezing.
Changed my perspective.
Tiger, come here.
So I cut myself off from the Force.
But you still want to rebuild the Order.
I believe that rebuilding the Order is the best chance we have against the Empire. What do you believe?
I believe I can't be hiding from the Empire, so I don't really have a choice.
Cal, as long as you're alive, you will always have a choice. Are you with?
Yeah. Your baby kitty? Hey, one. Go play.
We're in.
Go play.
Jasmine Zepho.
Get
It's your choice.
Get it. Get it. Pew. Pew.
I'm busy.
This
I
is
gotta figure
Tippy.
out what to talk about.
My dad's playing with trees, trying to explore.
What did you do to your phone, Buku?
What?
What did you do to your phone?
I don't know what happened up there, but down there was the July stuff. Red.
That's all you get, ain't it?
For right now, till later.
Okay, go take a shower, Hunter. Don't ask why I say
Tippy.
okay, Dad. I would love to.
Tippy, a little baby. You're just gonna sit.
Legit to restart the whole game. Oh, that sucks. Might as well put me in.
Woo! Woo!
Go take a shower.
Get the camera.
Go take a shower, son.
Get the camera.
Do what I told you to do. Does it
What are you
help
doing?
you? It'll help it.
But I put my knife in.
That's okay. When you get out of the shower, put it on again.
She fell on my camera. Well, it's actually just my phone.
You were watching me play yesterday the game, huh, Kitty? Yeah, huh? Huh? Huh?
Yay!
You got little claws.
Don't bite me.
Little monsters.
Okay. Bye, guys.